Getting enough nutrients in your food is vitally necessary to ensure optimal height growth, even if your height is mostly determined by genetics. Even while you can't become taller once you've hit your maximum height, certain foods can increase height and help you keep it off by preserving the strength and health of your bones, joints, and overall body. For instance, protein is essential for proper development as well as the immune system and tissue repair. In addition to these micronutrients, the health of the bones, which is essential for growth, is influenced by calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, and phosphorus. Probiotics, a category of helpful bacteria frequently found in fermented foods, have also been linked to increased growth in youngsters, according to recent research. In this video, we will talk about the 10 best foods to increase height. So, without wasting any time, let's get into it. Number 1. Beans. Beans are a fantastic source of protein and are quite nutrient-dense. It has been demonstrated that protein raises the levels of insulin like growth factor 1, a crucial hormone that controls a child's increasing height. Additionally, rich in iron and B vitamins, beans can help ward off anemia, a disease marked by deficiency in healthy red blood cells. Iron is not only necessary for tissue growth, but iron deficiency. Anemia can also cause children to grow more slowly. Beans are a good source of fiber, copper, magnesium, manganese, and zinc, among other elements. Number 2. Chicken. Chicken is a great food to increase height because it is high in protein and several other crucial components. It's especially high in vitamin B12, a water-soluble vitamin that's essential for maintaining and gaining height. Taurine, an amino acid that controls bone growth and formation, is also abundant in it. Additionally, a 3-ounce, 85-gram meal of chicken has about 20 grams of protein. Chicken is a rich source of niacin and selenium, phosphorus, and vitamin B6, though the actual nutritional profile can vary slightly depending on the cut and cooking technique. Number 3. Almonds. Many of the vitamins and minerals required for increasing height are abundant in almonds. They are also having a lot of good fats and are rich in fiber, manganese, and magnesium. Almonds are also a good source of vitamin E, a fat-soluble vitamin and antioxidant. Stunted growth in youngsters is one of the significant negative effects of this vital vitamin deficiency. Additionally, almonds might promote bone health. Almond consumption was found to prevent the growth of osteoclasts, a type of cell that destroys bone tissue, in one small trial involving 14 persons. Number 4. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are superstars when it comes to increasing your height. Examples include spinach, kale, arugula, and cabbage. Leafy greens often contain a concentrated amount of vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium, though the precise amount of minerals varies between different varieties. Additionally, they include a lot of vitamin K, a substance that helps support increased bone density and height maintenance by supporting growth. Even one study, including 103 women, revealed a significant reduction in the likelihood of declining bone mass when greens were regularly consumed. Number 5. Yogurt. Protein is one of the essential components found in yogurt that is crucial to increasing your height. Greek yogurt has close to 20 grams of protein in just 7 ounces. Some varieties also include probiotics, a class of beneficial bacteria that can aid in maintaining intestinal health. Probiotics have been found to enhance immune function, reduce inflammation, and according to some studies, can aid in children's growth. In addition, yogurt is a great source of calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, all of which are essential for bone metabolism. Number 6. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are not only colorful and adaptable, but they are also extremely healthy and can help you grow taller. They're particularly high in vitamin A, which helps enhance bone health and aid in height gain or maintenance. They also have the both soluble and insoluble fiber, which can help your digestive health and make it easier for bacteria to grow in your intestines, the good kind. By maintaining a healthy gut flora, you may increase your body's ability to absorb nutrients and guarantee that you're getting the vitamins and minerals required for growth and development. Sweet potatoes also include significant amounts of vitamin C, manganese, vitamin B6, and potassium. Number 7. Quinoa. Quinoa is a type of seed that is a very nutrient-dense and is frequently used in place of other grains to increase your height. It is one of the few plant-based foods that is considered a complete protein because it has all 9 of the essential amino acids for your body. Magnesium is another important nutrient that is found in large amounts of quinoa. It is also important parts of bone tissue and helps increase bone mineral density. Also, quinoa has a lot of manganese, folate, and phosphorus in each serving, all of which are important to keep bones healthy. Number 8. Eggs. Eggs are a true nutritional powerhouse and a great food to increase height in teenagers. A single large egg has 6 grams of protein, making them unusually high in protein. They also have lots of other nutrients like vitamin D, which can help the body absorb calcium and keeps bones healthy. According to a study, offering vitamin D to kids with low vitamin D levels led to faster growth over 6 months. Also, a study with 874 kids found that kids who ate eggs often grew taller each month. Number 9. Berries. Berries are thought to be the best foods that help you grow taller because they have a lot of vitamin C, which helps tissues grow and heal. The most prevalent protein in your body, collagen, is also produced more frequently thanks to vitamin C. Collagen has been shown in studies to increase bone density and improve bone health, which may aid in height gain or maintenance. In addition, berries include a variety of additional vitamins and minerals, including fibers, vitamin K, and manganese. Number 10. Salmon. Omega-3 fatty acids are abundant in salmon, a fatty fish. A heart-healthy lipid called omega-3 fatty acids is essential for growth and development. Some research suggests omega-3 fatty acids may be involved in bone health and may encourage bone turnover for optimal growth. Furthermore, children who have low quantities of omega-3 fatty acids may experience more sleep issues, which can be detrimental to growth. Salmon also contains a significant protein, B vitamins, selenium, and potassium.